Hey everyone, it's Amy Pinkston, your pink bag lady, here with a little 31 product spotlight, but also a product comparison. So I get asked a lot, how does the zip top organizing utility tote and the everyday essentials tote compare? So I'm going to show you today the zip top organizing utility tote and the everyday essentials tote. Now, our zip top organizing utility tote is our #2 best-selling product. Everyone loves this product. It has a zipper closure here at the top, part of the name, so it's got to have that zip top. And then it has 7 exterior pockets. You've got 3 pockets here on the back, a mesh pocket on each end. And then on the front, we only have 2 pockets because we leave space right here for you to personalize your bag the way that you want, okay? So this is the zip top organizing utility tote. Once you unzip it, you can see that it has the laminated interior that is easy to wipe clean. And again, it zips, so if it falls over in your bag, you can make sure that all your contents are kept inside. Now, this one is made from 7 recycled plastic bottles, and it is pretty amazing. The cost for this one is $38, and I will compare here in a minute the dimensions of this one to the Everyday Essentials tote. Now, that zip top organizing utility tote is going to come in 6 different prints. The one you just saw was Sunflower Season. It also comes in charcoal crosshatch, trees and RVs, watercolor pop, gray patchwork, and purple crosshatch, okay? All right, now let's look at the Everyday Essentials tote, all right? Now, this one has 8 pockets, but they are on the inside. So you have 3 pockets here on this side, just like on that zip top organizing, except for they are inside. 3 more on this side, and then you have a mesh pocket on each end. So that is your 8 pockets right there, and then lots of space in between. You also have a large exterior pocket that has the hook and loop fastener. So huge pocket here on the front. And then it has, of course, that laminated interior that wipes clean. And then its exterior handles have a 12-inch drop for easy transport. On the zip top, it also has the handles that have the 12-inch drop for easy transport as well. So the handles are the exact same length. Now you can see these actually come all the way down. These have a little metal fastener here that keeps them hooked on. So that's the difference there. And then as you can see clearly, this one's a little bit smaller. The zip top organizing utility tote is a little bit smaller. So let's talk about those dimensions. So the zip top is 10.75 inches in height, 14.5 inches in length, and 6.5 inches in diameter. The Everyday Essentials tote is going to be 12 inches in height and 16 inches in length and 8.75 inches in diameter, okay? So this one is made from 10 recycled bottles, and the zip top was made from 7. The zip top organizing utility tote is $38, and the Everyday Essentials is $48. So that's the basic difference in those two. As you can see, the zip top organizing utility tote has 7 pockets, whereas the Everyday Essential has 8, plus the 1 flat exterior pocket. So it's going to give it 9 pockets. It just has a little bit more room, a little bit bigger, so it's well worth paying that extra $10. Both of these make great diaper bags because they have all the wonderful pockets to put everything in. Great work bags for teachers, for nurses. So love the zip top organizing utility tote, and then the everyday essentials tote is just a little bit bigger and better. So it depends on which one you prefer. All right, if you have liked this video, please make sure that you like it below. If you have not subscribed to the Pink Bag Lady channel, please do so. And I would love to hear from you. Which bag do you prefer? Do you prefer the zip top, or do you prefer the everyday essentials? Let me know below. Who knows, I may have a lucky winner if you comment and send you some happy mail. I love to do that. If you do not have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your Pink Bag Lady. You can check out my website at pinkbaglady.com. You can also look for all the contact information below in the description.